तो क्रिश्चियन हूँ, ईसाई हूँ, मेरे को कलमा नहीं आता, सच बोला
देखा पर कुछ दिखा नहीं। तुमने शॉप वाले से पूछा कि आवाज कैसी है? वो लोग भी डर गए कि मैडम पता नहीं, हमने भी आज पहली बार थे ही, सबको उसने गोली मारी।
साइड में रख के उससे पूछा हिंदू है कि मुसलमान? मुसलमान है तो पहले कलमा पढ़ के दिखा।
और उन्होंने पूछा हिंदू हो कि मुसलमान हो, उन्होंने जैसे हिंदू बोला है वैसे तुरंत गोली मार दी सर पे। तो मेरी बहू कहने लगी मुझे ही मार दो, तो उन्होंने कहा नहीं तुम जाओ मोदी को बताना।
On April 22, 2025, it was a normal usual day in Kashmir. Tourists were enjoying the environment of Pahalgam. But accidentally, some Pakistani terrorists dressed like an army officer with guns attacked Indian tourists in Pahalgam. They asked people about their name and religion and shot mostly the Hindus. One of them, there was a newly married couple who were killed, whose husband was a Navy lieutenant. One Nepali citizen was also killed. A Muslim man who tried to help them was also shot down. In total, 26 people died and many others were hurt.
The Pahalgam attack was a horrific incident that left many lives lost and families shattered. Imagine being in such a situation, surrounded by fear and just gunshot. Imagine getting killed by a person just by asking their religion, whether you are Hindu or Muslim. If I was there during the Pahalgam attack, I would have been very scared and panicked. My first reaction would have been to find a safe place to hide. I would have tried to move away from the shooting and find someone secure. If I could, I would have tried to call for help and tell the authorities what happened. Seeing such a violent act would have left me very upset and traumatized.
Operation Sindoor was India's swift and decisive military response to what happened in Pahalgam on 22nd of April 2025, where 26 Hindu tourists were killed by terrorists in Kashmir. Operation Sindoor is a precision airstrike targeting terrorist camps in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. 9 locations, including Bahawalpur and Murid, which are known hubs for terrorist groups like Jaish-e-Mohammed and Lashkar-e-Taiba, were attacked by Rafale jets and powerful bombs like Scalp and Hammer. It only destroyed the terror camp and no scratch was provided to Pakistan military bases. We were clear, our fight was towards terror and not towards the people. This was more than a mission. It was a statement that you can break our heart, but you cannot break our spirit. Mess with us and we will burn down your plans.
Why Pahalgam attack on tourists hurt so much? Because terrorists killed our innocent tourists, ordinary civilians. Why to kill them? By asking their religion. They asked whether you are Hindu or a Muslim. When tourists said Hindu, they instantly killed them. This is so wrong. They killed only men because in most of the families, men earn the bread. That's why it hurts so much.
The red powder that a married woman wears is what we call sindoor. It symbolizes someone's marital status. It symbolizes the love and prosperity a married woman has for her husband. It is usually worn between the parting line of the hair. But why this name? Why Operation Sindoor? The blood all those tourists had shed, the pleadings, the screams, and the sounds of those bullets must still be ringing in the ears of those who survived and the ones who lost their husbands, their children, elders, and so on. The terrorists took away the sindoor of our helpless women. They made them widow. And in revenge, our country named this mission as Operation Sindoor, as a way of showing respect to the women who go through this heart-wrenching moment.
I heard this news of Pahalgam attack by my parents, some news channels and social media. The only question that came in my mind was what they got by murdering such innocent tourists. I asked my parents, they said they want to occupy the whole Kashmir, and the only thing that I understood that their crime was unacceptable. I should keep myself more updated from news, parents and army guidelines. There should be more awareness in me about my duties as a good civilian. What my teacher expects from me, I should be more careful towards strangers. We kids should use social media under the guidance of parents because rumors spread very fast. What we don't know, we should ask to our parents and teachers. We should not talk rubbish about anyone's religion and become judgmental.
Where is Papa? This question echoes after the myth of Pahalgam terrorist attack. I wanted to know that how we are free to take their education. Who is else in their children's life? Because there is no one taking the mother and father's place. In his life, they also are traumatized and facing all these things problem. Their responsibilities, who can take their responsibilities?